Today's exploration is at the Canada Agriculture and Food Museum just after sunrise. The sky painted in soft shades of orange and gold. The air was crisp, quiet, except for distant clucks and gobbles echoing across the farmyard. Come with me, let's go. There's something special about this place. You don't just visit a museum here, you step into living history. Every animal, every feather, every sound tells the story of how humans and creatures have grown side by side. I made my way to the poultry barn, the humble home of chickens, roosters, and turkeys. And just as I approached, the sound hit me. The rhythm of life itself. It's feeding time.